Good morning. We are the student of class 11th of PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya Shesak Badwa presenting our project idea for Viksit Bharat Buildathon them on the Atmanirbhar Bharat under the sub-theme community problem. We have observed the problem faced by the farmer during crop production. When farmers visit their fields to look after their crops, they become easy prey of the animals or insects which are hidden in between tall plants and not visible to farmer due to lack of light. For the solution, this we have multitasking farmer stick in which we have attached a vibrational system.
This is vibrational part which move away insects, reptiles and animals. So that hidden in plants and in the soil. We connect a motor that rotate, and at the top of the motor we connect a metal part that makes vibration. The vibrational produced in soil and surround so that reptiles and insects can move away, which protect farmer by snakes and insects. We also give a light which connected to the battery, and battery connected to the solar panel so that it's automatically charged, which can used by farmer in dim light to focus on animal in night so that animals can move away. In addition, we connect a small shovel that helps in removing weeds and sometime in digging. As an extension, we also connect a pricker to pick the fruit from tree. In back of solar panel, we give a USB so that farmer can charge their phone in night, so their phone is on. In this area, in this portion we give a storage area so that farmers can store their medicines and other items. Our stick is adjustable by the height for trees. This is extent.
In this way we make a multitasking farmer stick. This is very useful and life-saving stick who are the backbone of our country.
This is circuit diagram of our stick that shows every connection in every part of our project. Thank you.